More of my pumpkin patch. I'm kind of gonna give you the how things are going. We're actually gonna harvest our little ones today, and there's some more over here we're gonna harvest. I'll show you that. It's getting to the point where it's all we can do. I'm not gonna water it anymore. We're supposed to get like 2 inches of rain in the next 2 days. You can see it's really cloudy. Hopefully we'll get this done before it rains. But I've been watering, like I'd water half one day and half the next day. So this is my little sprinkler here I got. I didn't like it at first. We got Tractor Supply and it was on sale. I think I gave like 20 bucks for it. It's usually like 70, but I adjusted the spring on it where it rotates, and it's fantastic water. I really like this. So I'm gonna put all this up, not right now in this video, but roll my hoses up. I think we're through watering. So let's go around with these little pumpkins. We're gonna harvest them first. Let me show you those. Got a few here. You can see them laying on the ground, and we've already harvested a lot of these things and sold a bunch of them. So the little ones, we got them all down through here. We got a whole row, and they did pretty well, considering. Just to give you a little update on this disaster here, I started some seeds in my seed starting trays, put them on the floor of my high tunnel where I could water them easier. Well, about 2 days after I put them down there, something came by and dug all the seeds out and ate the seeds. So that's about 500 seeds that I lost. So what we had left over, we just come up here and direct planted. And I don't even remember the varieties. I know this is Jack Be Little or Jack Be Quick or some of the both. Maybe some, I thought I put some Baby Bear or something out here. The other ones, I don't even remember what they were. I know one of them was a Jordan Dare, and they're actually doing pretty good. So I try to remember what they were. I don't even remember if I put it on the video when we was doing it. I have to go back and look. But anyway, we'll go over and look at some of those. But the lesson learned here, we waited too late. We put them out in July. I think we're going to put them out in June, 1st of June, and we're going to direct seed. We're just going to direct seed everything up here, pumpkin wise. But anyway, that's the little ones, and let's go look at some big ones. We got some pretty big ones. Now here's one turning orange. Look at this one.
We're going to do some better weeding next year, too.
Right here. You get that one. And there's a big one over there.
Showing on camera. Get it.
That's a nice one. We got one here. Now you can see
Several down through there.
our devil pig got out there 2 days ago, and it's come through here rooting. And so that's another problem. Over there's a big one. I don't see a big orange one over there somewhere. Oh, right here. This one's turning orange. Look how big this one is.
The bees are still out, too. You can see that.
So what we're going to do, we're going to harvest these little ones, this whole row first. We're going to get them all. And then we'll go on the other side because we got some over there I think we need to harvest. So overall, I wouldn't say it's a complete loss, but I don't know if we're going to have any to sell. That's what we wanted to do. We might have a few, I don't know. But she's going to decorate with a lot of them.
Yeah.
What the heck happened?
I don't know. It's doing dark.
There it goes. And I got one real good one over there. We'll look at it when we get over there. But we're going to go ahead and harvest this whole row of little ones and get them up off the ground. So I kind of show you how we do a couple of them. I don't know if it's right or not, but we'll go do that, then we'll get it, and I'll show you what we got.
I see one right through there. Kind
Yeah.
of right where my finger's at.
Yeah.
It's just starting.
Yeah.
We've got some just starting. It's so late.
Yeah. But,
Uh,
I mean, we'll feed them to the pigs.
yeah.
So I'll just take a snip and we just snip it. It's a pretty little pumpkin.
Snip it in the bud.
I'll edit that out. All right, we're gonna hit this whole row. There's quite a bit. I bet this thing might be full by the time we get through. So we're gonna get that knocked out, and I'll show you what we got, and then we'll move to the other side. We got that whole row done, and this is a half bushel basket, so we got quite a few in here. We're gonna clean them up a little bit, and we'll put them out to the stand. These have been selling pretty good. Some we get for $1, some we get 2 for $1. So it's kind of worth our while a little bit. So you see, it didn't take 10 minutes to do this, did it? So we're gonna drive around to the other side of the patch, and there's some medium-sized ones I think we're gonna pick, and we'll talk about those over there. Okay, this is the other side, and this side's supposed to be the bigger ones, and we got some we're gonna harvest, medium-sized ones right here. We'll get those in a minute. But we got a big one. Might be the biggest one, I don't know. Right here, it's starting to turn. It's huge. There's another big one right back there.
You can tell it on camera how big it is, but yeah.
See that one back there?
Yeah, right through there.
Like I said, I don't remember the variety. And where? I think this is ready, don't you? Or do you?
I think so.
Got a little medium size. It's kind of a smooth skin, so I don't know. I don't remember what kind this is. There ain't no telling. So here's a little bigger. These are really pretty. We're gonna go ahead and get these. There's another right there. There's a couple more. We're not doing the big harvest on this yet. We'll come back and show you that in a few days, probably a couple weeks, really. It's last week of September, right?
Yes.
So next week will be October. And we really probably should be harvesting them all now, so that's why we're gonna start in June, I think. But anyway, so we got this one, we got that, we got some more. We'll go through and harvest them, and then I'll show you what all we got.
There's another little one I see right through there. It's just started.
Yeah, I just started. We'll let them go.
Yeah.
But I ain't gonna water them more.
Yeah.
Watering's over with. Like I said, this is kind of our first harvest of the bigger ones, but we got 2, 4, 5 medium-sized ones. This is typical. And this is the best one so far. Little Cinderella. It's just starting to turn. I mean, almost completely turned. So that's a nice one. We've got, just looking through here, we've got several that we'll pick, and hopefully October the 4th we'll be at the farmer's market. They're having a family's day, so hopefully we'll have several there we can take and sell. If not, we'll sell them at the farmer's market. I think they sell pretty good. All right, that's a little, almost the end of the season pumpkin patch update. When it all turns, when we come back up here and harvest these big ones, we'll show you those. And, you know, we've learned a lot of lessons here this year, and that's the main thing. Last year was horrible. It was even drier last year than it was this year, so they didn't do good. The year before last, we did a little test plot, and they did decent. I mean, it was just about a quarter, no, an eighth of what we got here. But we actually plan to go from here all the way to the tree line over there. Turn over here, which is about an acre. We want to do an acre of pumpkins, and We end up with a third of an acre probably. So we live and learn. We'll do a little better next year, hopefully, if we're still alive. All right, appreciate everybody watching. I'm gonna take these up. We gonna sell these or what? Probably want to keep that one, don't you?
Might, yeah, the first one.
I might put those medium-sized ones up at the farm stand. I won't think we'll pull them mums up there today. We don't normally open today, but I'm gonna go ahead and open. All right, we're gonna load the trailer up, and appreciate you watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer like us, and we'll see you down in the farm next video.